Hi there, this is a quick demo of EZICHEQ's searching and reporting features. So I'm starting off on the login page. I'm just going to sign into EZICHEQ. The searching features are within the items menu on the top menu bar when you log into EZICHEQ. So you can see here we can look for items. We can also search for geolocations, self-checks, or for certified checks that have been submitted on an item. I'm going to start off by having a look at items. So I'll click into there. This takes us into the items listing for the company that we're logged into. By default, we'll see all active items. I'm going to add a couple of conditions in here. So I want to find my trucks that are unsafe. So what I'm doing first is just clicking add a condition. So first of all, I'm going to find item type of other. I'm also going to search for where we have a checklist type, and that will show the list of checklists that I have in my company. So I'm searching for a checklist type of trucks, and then last of all I want to choose where the result is, and we have our options here. I'm going to choose a result of unsafe. So I'm going to search there, and I can see that I currently have 4 trucks that have been listed as unsafe. I want to save that as a report. I can click through into all those items, but I might want to run this again at a later date or print off a list. So I'm just going to click save as a report, and that gives me the option to name a report. So I'm going to call this as unsafe trucks will be the name of my report. I'll save that. Let's save that now into my reports page, which you can also access clicking reports at the top. So there's my unsafe trucks report. I can download that as a PDF, and there is the PDF that has been downloaded showing me the 4 trucks that meet those criteria. From that reports page, I can also click on the drop down here. I can download that as a CSV that will allow me to open it up into Excel or Google Sheets if I want to do some more analysis of it. I can rerun that report again at a later date, which will reapply that same, or I can rerun it as a search. So I can click on that. That takes me back through into the search page with those same search criteria applied. So any of these searches I can save as a report. So I might do a similar thing. I want to look at self-checks that have been submitted, and I might say, right, I want to find all my self-checks only for one particular item. I'm looking at CE115X1 as my label number. I'm going to click search on there, and there we go. There's a truck. It's only had one self-check submitted on it. And it's for this particular truck. So I'm going to click on save it as a report, and it gives me a default name. I can save that, and again I can download as a PDF or download as a CSV, which will open up into Microsoft Excel, which you can see there. I can also go into any of my previous reports. So here's one that I've run a month ago, label containing a geolocation this year, and I'm going to rerun that as a search. Okay, so that's taken me into my geolocation, my items page, looking for those labels which have a geolocation date between 1st of October and 31st of October 2020. So if you've got searches you want to do frequently, you can save them as a report, rerun them, and there's a lot of flexibility there. As always, the EZICHEQ support team is here to help, so feel free to make use of the chat tool down on the bottom right hand corner of every single page. Click into there, send us a question, and we'll be more than happy to give you a hand with anything that you're trying to do on EZICHEQ.